It was a sunny Saturday morning when Dad decided it was time for a little cleaning. The floors needed vacuuming, and toys were scattered across the living room. But before he could even plug in the vacuum, he heard a little voice behind him. "Me help, Dada," said Veer, his mop of curly hair bouncing as he trotted over in his pajamas, clutching a tiny toy broom. Right behind him came Barnaby, the family's shaggy, lovable golden doodle, tail-wagging and tongue-lolling. Barnaby barked playfully, nudging a stray sock toward the laundry basket with his nose. Dad laughed. "All right, looks like I've got myself a cleaning crew." Veer grabbed the vacuum cord with determination. Dad helped him push the vacuum as Veer proudly steered. Every time they finished a room, Veer shouted, "All clean!" and gave Barnaby a big high five or high paw. Barnaby was in charge of the sniff test, of course, closely inspecting each freshly vacuumed carpet with great seriousness. He even tried bouncing a feather duster on his nose, which sent Veer into a fit of giggles. At one point, Veer found a rogue Cheerio under the couch and offered it to Barnaby, who accepted it like it was gourmet cuisine. By the end of the morning, the house sparkled. Dad had a smile a mile wide, and the cleaning crew collapsed in a heap on the couch. Veer snuggled up to Barnaby, both of them ready for a well-earned nap. Dad whispered, "Best cleaning day ever?"